Hi everyone, my name is Fatin Wahab. My subject was marketing for managers. Today I am talking about the best marketing practice assignment. So we're gonna talk about the Starbucks. So the Starbucks, we're gonna talk overview of Starbucks. The Starbucks founded in 1971. The famous American coffee company operating in food and beverage industry, special in coffee sector, service B2C customers. So here I have the some picture of Starbucks. Next, marketing channel used by Starbucks. Marketing channel used by Starbucks: physical stores, email marketing, partnership and collaboration, customer loyalty, social media. So social media have some sector among Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So Starbucks best marketing practices. Starbucks cards rewards there have started in 2023 can be applied in two ways: physical Starbucks cards and Starbucks mobile application. Yes, and the new Starbucks rewards there have some picture, the fast ship feelings. Starbucks rewards, more way to pay, more way to get rewards. So however you would like to pay, you can earn star. Those star add up in really delicious rewards. Preload of Starbucks card and pay to earn 2 star per dollar. Use a gift card to pay and earn 2 star per dollar. And save a card your account to pay and earn 1 star per dollar. Scan the apps, then pay however you like to earn 1 star per dollar. Yeah, there I have the some example here. Takeaway for other companies, there have most of the company have takeaway system, but Starbucks have takeaway system. For other companies, mobile integration, encourage loyalty, personalization, feedback and engagement, brand community. How to maximize your Starbucks star rewards. Recent marketing campaign and Starbucks Star Days promotion launched in March 2023. During this campaign, Starbucks provide rewards member with several exclusive offer and benefits. So there have too much several exclusive offer, and there have more benefits in Starbucks. uh, Star Days is here. Choose to a week of rewards. Star Days in final here. We are celebrate you in this week. Reference, there have some reference I show you. Vectova as 2023 CRM and data analysis in a modern marketing approach. Cotton a Purba JT Trainee R and Widgets AW 2023 exploring the longevity of a global food service brand. Top CEO reveal how their companies have service and thrived for over 50 years. Journal of Internal Food and Agribusiness Marketing 124. Harmony, set one EB megaphins and the what R and appreciate D 2023 analysis of factor affection, consumer satisfaction and their impact of green product consumer loyalty. HITC 2024, there have one link. You can go and browsing this link. Soelia and Hazira B. Singh A. Rewards are Royer and Sharma 2023. The impact of digital marketing and digital transformation on e-commerce positioning and brand promotion. Journal of Informatic Education and Research 3.2. The reference. There have also some reference. Sharma M 2023, how business to business and business to consumer marketing can future proof their digital marketing strategy. Journal of Digital of Social Media Marketing 11 to 128 to 154. Starbucks 2023 have I'm showing the one link, and the Starbucks 2024 there have also another link here. So Starbucks is it's a very popular company in USA. There have a lot of franchises here in New York and the other state have very have many franchises in Starbucks. It's a very popular company in USA. When we go often for drinking coffee and others snacks item. Maybe coffee is very popular for Starbucks. That was my last time when I go to Starbucks. I have rewards, and then I paid for coffee, and then I got more star. There are so many rewards pointing in Starbucks. So that was my video. Thank you everyone for watching it. Thank you so much.